Radiology, X-rays Part 2, Orthopedics.
Identify the condition.
Soft tissue swelling or blurring of tissue plane, periosteal reaction, bony destruction seen in acute osteomyelitis.
Identify the condition.
Champagne glass pelvis seen in achondroplasia.
Identify the condition.
Bamboo spine, squaring of vertebra, Romanes sign, tiger sign, Anderson sign seen in ankylosing spondylitis.
Identify the condition.
Dagger sign, single central radiodense line on frontal X-rays seen in ankylosing spondylitis.
Identify the condition.
A small lytic lesion with surrounding sclerosis seen in Brody abscess.
Identify the condition.
Sequestrum, moth-eaten appearance seen in chronic osteomyelitis.
Identify the condition.
Bag of bones appearance, tumbling blocks appearance seen in Charcot joint.
Identify the condition.
Chicken wire calcification, patchy calcification seen in chondroblastoma.
Identify the condition.
Ciliary stalk appearance of long bones seen in congenital cytomegalovirus infection.
Identify the condition.
Pencil thin cortex, white line of Frankel, Wimberger ring, Trummerfeld zone, Pelton spur, osteoporosis seen in scurvy.
Identify the condition.
Wimberger ring, saber tibia, ciliary stalk long bones seen in congenital syphilis.
Identify the condition.
Epiphyseal dysgenesis seen in catasenism.
Identify the condition.
Bony spur growing away from joint, trumpet shaped projection at metaphysis seen in diaphyseal achalasia.
Identify the condition.
Flowing wax ossification of anterior spinal ligament seen in diffuse idiopathic skeletal hyperostosis.
Identify the condition.
Spilled teacup deformity seen in lunate dislocation.
Identify the condition.
Onion skin appearance seen in Ewing sarcoma.
Identify the condition.
Shepherd crook deformity, cotton wool appearance, ground glass appearance seen in fibrous dysplasia.
Identify the condition.
Spoke wheel calcification, osteolytic lesions seen in hemangioma bone.
Identify the condition.
Deep intercondylar notch, squaring of patella, enlarged epiphysis seen in hemophilia.
Identify the condition.
Geographic skull seen in histiocytosis.
Identify the condition.
Button sequestrum seen in histiocytosis.
Identify the condition.
Vertebra plana, silver dollar vertebra seen in histiocytosis.
Identify the condition.
Salt pepper skull floating teeth, loss of lamina dura, seen in hyperparathyroidism.
Identify the condition.
Small node, seen in intervertebral disc prolapse.
Identify the condition.
Psoriatic arthropathy, rheumatoid arthritis, leprosy, neuropathic joint, seen in licked candlestick appearance.
Identify the condition.
Rice grain appearance, seen in muscle cysticercosis.
Identify the condition.
Molten wax appearance, seen in malariostenosis.
Identify the condition.
Bullet-shaped metacarpals, radius and ulna are towards each other, seen in mucopolysaccharidosis.
Identify the condition.
Point out lytic lesions on skull, seen in multiple myeloma.
Identify the condition.
Reduction of joint space, seen in osteoarthritis knee.
Identify the condition.
Soap bubble appearance, seen in osteoclastoma.
Identify the condition.
Multiple fracture of diaphysis, seen in osteogenesis imperfecta.
Identify the condition.
Loser zone, milkman fracture, pseudofracture, triradiate pelvis, seen in osteomalacia.
Identify the condition.
Marble bone disease, bone within bone appearance, seen in osteopetrosis.
Identify the condition.
Codman triangle, seen in osteosarcoma.
Identify the condition.
Sunburst appearance, seen in osteosarcoma.
Identify the condition.
Helmet skull, cotton wool skull, seen in Paget disease.
Identify the condition.
Blade of grass appearance, seen in Paget disease.
Identify the condition.
Ivory vertebra, seen in Paget disease.
Identify the condition.
Picture frame vertebra, seen in Paget disease.
Identify the condition.
Sagging rope appearance, flat femoral epiphysis, seen in Perthes disease.
Identify the condition.
Light bulb sign, seen in posterior dislocation of hip.
Identify the condition.
Light bulb sign, seen in posterior dislocation of shoulder.
Identify the condition.
Rare fraction of vertebral end plate, disc space narrowing, seen in Pott's spine.
Identify the condition.
Ivory phalanges, penicillin cup appearance, seen in psoriatic arthritis.
Identify the condition.
Soft tissue swelling, juxtaarticular osteopenia, bone erosion, seen in rheumatoid arthritis.
Identify the condition.
Rugged jersey spine, sandwich spine, seen in renal osteodystrophy.
Identify the condition.
Loss of provisional zone of ossification, growth plate widening, cupping, flaying, splaying, seen in rickets.
Identify the condition.
Terry Thomas sign, David Letterman sign or Madonna sign seen in scapholunate dislocation.
Identify the condition.
Fallen leaf or fragment sign seen in simple bone cyst.
Identify the condition.
Trethovan sign seen in slipped femoral capital epiphysis.
Identify the condition.
Ballooning or lytic metaphysis of phalanges seen in spina ventosa.
Identify the condition.
Inverted Napoleon hat sign seen in spondylolisthesis.
Identify the condition.
Scotty dog appearance seen in normal appearance of the lumbar spine when seen on oblique X-ray.
Identify the condition.
Osteoporosis, erosion, joint space narrowing seen in TB knee arthritis.
Identify the condition.
Osteoporosis, wandering acetabulum seen in TB hip.
Identify the condition.
Short fourth metacarpal seen in Turner syndrome.
Please like, comment, share and subscribe.